Hello, I'm Cathy K. Welcome to my classroom. Today I am going over what to do when you find yourself in an abnormal course condition in a bunker. Questions have been rolling in about this because we've had so much rain and there are some bunkers with standing water in them. So let's clear this up, okay? First I want to reference the player's edition of the rules of golf. It's small, it fits in your golf bag, and it'll walk you right through this in case you can't remember everything I share with you here today. It's rule number 16, and you'll find this great picture. Here's a closer look. That'll help you walk right through what to do. Also a reminder about using your rule book is that if any word or small phrase is italicized, there will be a definition for that. And there's a couple of defined terms that we will use in interpreting this rule and guide us through what to do. So number one, the nearest point of complete relief and the relief area must be in the bunker. And nearest point of complete relief is italicized. So if you're not sure what that is, we can simply flip to the back here and find out that it has to meet these three requirements. It's the nearest to your ball's original spot, but not nearer to the hole. Important to remember. It's in the required area of the course, and it's where the condition no longer interferes with the stroke you would have made if that spot wasn't there, if the water wasn't there. Okay, so our ball is flown in, splash, here we are. So we need to find our nearest point of relief. Well, it looks like right here behind is our nearest, because if we go to the side, that's just a little further away, so we need to go to our nearest spot that's no closer. Because actually a ball out front here is closer to where the original ball lies, but it's closer to the hole, and that's not allowed. So here's our spot. Then what do? We get 1 club length. So we can measure 1 club length, swing it all the way around, and that half pi becomes our relief area. It's within that we now need to drop from how high? That's right, knee height, into that relief area and play away. That's free relief from abnormal course condition. Easy peasy, right? Here is where the questions have really started coming in, because now instead of this nice little contained puddle of water in the bunker, this is how much rain we've had. And this bunker is practically full of water. It's deep. It's about 10 inches deep in the middle, and it goes all the way to the sides, and our ball flew in there the same, right in here, and it has landed. Okay, where's our nearest point of relief? Well, the only available sand that we have, and we know we have to keep it within this part of the golf course in the bunker, is up here, all closer to the hole. And that's just not allowed. So you can rule that out. So let's draw a line, kind of on a moon right here. Anything behind that is not closer to the hole and will be allowed. Okay. It's full of water. What are you talking about, Cathy? Well, where the ball lies, let's say, is 10 inches deep. Okay? And so we're going to have to go to our nearest maximum allowable point. Again, this is an italicized phrase, and it is point of maximum available relief. It is your point for taking free relief from an abnormal course condition, which is that water, in a bunker or on a putting green, where there is no nearest point of complete relief. Well, we already determined that, right? There's no nearest point of complete relief that follows the guideline of not being closer to the hole. It is the estimated point where your ball would lie, the same conditions. No nearer to the hole, required area of the course, and where the abnormal course condition least interferes with the stroke. Okay, where it least interferes. Now, I didn't say this was going to be pretty, but it is your best option. So let's say we investigate this bunker a little bit, and over here, we could drop there, and it would only be in 1 inch of water. Okay, so over here we have 1 inch, and over back in this area, we have a 1/2 inch. Well, 1/2 inch is better than 1. So our maximum available, best and least awful position is right over here in 1/2 inch of water. Isn't that lovely? Same thing. You would get to measure, and right in there becomes your relief area. Play away for free, okay? At this point in time, you might want to consider that additional option that they added, that the USGA, that's what I mean, they added in 2019. And you will see in the picture, in the book, that it allows us to bring the ball outside of the bunker, but it will cost us 1 penalty stroke. And a quick review of how we do that is, this is our ball where it lies. We line it up with the flag stick and come straight back. We can go back as far as we like on this. We don't have to keep it close. You can go back as far as you want. And then on that line, drop a mark. I'm just going to get this 1/2 inch out of the way. And that becomes our reference point. We measure our 1 club length, swing it around. That's our relief area. Drop. Remember though, that is +1 on a penalty stroke. Okay, I hope that has helped clear that up for you, and that even though the option seems ugly with water in the bunker, it often is, at least you will proceed correctly, which will prevent you from being disqualified, which proceeding and playing from a wrong spot could get even uglier and end in a disqualification. We don't want that. If you are a person who serves in a position of administering events, you may want to go around, check out the bunkers on your course, and if you have any that are extreme like this one, maybe make a local rule or a provision in the notice to competitors that day for free relief, or that the entire bunker is ground under repair, so that the field can play it consistently. All right, I hope this has helped. Many pars and birdies to you until next time. Thanks very much.